Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. In today's video update here for Ethereum, we are trading at $1,307, 24-hour volume. We are down 13%, and market cap, we are down 1.20%. So heading over to our daily chart here, we can see again a rejection of our 50 moving average, but essentially coming up and retesting our area of resistance of 1354. Now, one of the things that we are going to be testing is the 78% for our fib at 1293 as an area of support. We're going to be testing this area here as an area of support. We can see this candlestick coming down on October 22nd, but we are going to be testing the theory of resistance turned into support and then vice versa, support turning into resistance. So as the price itself is correcting from this uptrend, we have essentially initiated that we are considered to be overbought, again only at 86%. So 86% is considered as overbought. It hasn't triggered that selling opportunity here where we see the white line coming down below the pink line here. Essentially that does trigger that selling opportunity, as again we are considered as the overbought here. We do see weakness in our momentum of our histograms itself, so we do see the momentum and the price coming back down. If we do see the next bar or the next couple of bars coming even lower and getting lighter in the color as well, then essentially we are going to trigger that selling opportunity with the RSI, and price is going to come back down here. If we can take a look drastically depending on the momentum itself, we can see this area here for our area of support at 1263 on our daily time frame. So let's head over to the 4-hour time frame. As we can see again, with the selling pressure for price exhausted here, we can see with the RSI lined up very nicely at 96%, triggered that selling opportunity at this peak. And at that time here, we can see the cursor lining up as the momentum itself is dying down. Now, at this area, we were testing it as an area of resistance turned into support, and we do see some of our bodies of our candlesticks retracing down to this area of the support at 1306. Now, essentially at this area here for an area of support, if we see the MACD indicator coming closer together, these MACD line and our signal line, it does look like they are potentially going to cross over, and our MACD line is going to be found below our signal line. It is going to trigger heavy volumes of selling as the momentum itself triggered. Now, if we switch it over to high Kanashi candles, again, we can see that the trend itself was bullish, hitting up to an area of resistance. The spinning top candlestick shows again that exhaustion of the uptrend, and we can see candlesticks in the red, but most importantly, they have no wicks at the very top here. So it does signal that the trend of the uptrend is over and signaling a lot of the selling trend. Now, if we take a look again, an area of support, really there's not a whole lot of areas of support, but the point of interest of our 50% of our fib at 1284. Not only again is this an area where the retracement level may bounce from, but it is crossing closer to our 20 MA. If we close below our 20 MA in a numerous candlestick formations, then it is going to break this uptrend and Ethereum is going to drop. Now, heading over to the 2-hour time frame itself, we are considered as oversold at this time. However, with the momentum growth that we are seeing in the 2-hour time frame, it can either break it or it can either hold support. Now, even though again we are considered as overbought here at 2%, it still has not initiated that buying opportunity where the price itself can easily retrace, and we can see that really nice uptrend. One of the things too that I want you guys to pay attention to if you are looking or if you do use the MACD indicator is the actual strength of these histograms here. Now notice again, it is getting stronger than the other wave that we've got on December 9th. If we take a look at the projection of December 9th itself, we can see December 11th, we can see that the histograms here hit a area of support at the very bottom of our Bollinger Band. So we can see already that it was considered as oversold. And then as soon as we saw these lighter colors, price was retracing. Price had a really nice pullback area and held onto that area of support. Now, these histograms here are just slightly a little bit bigger from this area here. If we can anticipate that the next candlestick itself is a lighter color, we are going to hold on to an area of support at this area, at the 1306, 1305, and then come up and retest this area of resistance at 1326. So I do feel like that the price, even though we are considered as oversold, the MACD indicator does show us levels of momentum in a bearish market. We may see the price consolidate sideways. Again, hitting support, coming up to resistance may not be this huge push all the way to the 1326, maybe coming up to the 78% of our fib at 1318, and then it may come down to where the price moves sideways until we either break out in an uptrend or a downtrend. As we can see, the volatility of our Bollinger Bands are squeezing in, so it is ramping up a breakout, either an uptrend or a downtrend. If we are wanting an uptrend, essentially we need to break the 20 MA here and have numerous candlesticks closing above it to initiate that breakout in an uptrend. But if we are consistently seeing a lot of candlesticks breaking or closing below the 20 MA, we are going to break out in a downtrend and we may see price for Ethereum drop. So definitely let me know what you guys think down below. That wraps up my Ethereum video. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe to the video and the channel as well. But I'll see you next time. Bye.